Update your house rent declaration on the payroll menu. Click on declarations tab. Then you click on the house rent tab. There are two steps to be done. First, you will need to add the landlord details and then you can add the rent declaration. Click on add new landlord button. Update the landlord name. Update the landlord's PAN number. In case the PAN number is not available, you can also update a declaration from the landlord. Please note that if your annual rent is more than a lakh of rupees and if you do not provide the landlord's PAN number, you will not get the HRA benefit. Once you have created the landlord record, it will be visible in the second table. If you want to make a correction, you can edit it. If you have created it wrongly, you can delete it. Click on Add New Rent Declaration button. In the pop-up, you will need to provide the details of the rent declaration. And if you have any remarks to fill, you can fill the remarks. Click on Submit. The rent declaration is submitted. It will now be pending for approval with your payroll manager. Please also note, if your rent is more than 50,000 rupees per month, you will need to deduct a 5% TDS whenever you make the rent payment to the landlord. This is something which is to be done by you directly, and the company will have no role to play in this. To make changes to your rent declaration after it's been approved, click on the edit button. If you have made a wrong declaration in terms of the amount, you can change the amount and submit it. Click on submit after changing the amount. That is one scenario. Or if you have moved houses or if your rent has gone up, you need to first close this declaration and then create a new declaration. So let's look at the scenario that my rent has gone up from 60,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees from 1st of July 2024. Then I will put a due date here of 30th of June 2024. Click on submit. This record will go for approval, and parallelly I can create a new rent declaration. I will provide the same details, but I will put a rental of 70,000. Make sure that the dates are correctly defined. Click on submit to submit the revised declaration. As you see now, you have two declarations. The first one is the closure of the first declaration, and the second one is a revised declaration. This is how you make changes to your rent record. At the end of financial year, the rent record which is open will get copied automatically in the next year and it will continue as it is. Thanks for watching.